You must like your new addition, Chicken Wing, don't you? You won't look at me, honey. What's the matter? I love you. I love you, chicken. You're going to get brave. Wow. You went the whole way up to the end. You're such a brave girl. You're such a beautiful girl, aren't you? I know what you're looking for. Every time we do a video, you get a... You know what she gets. I gotta find them now. I had to put everything away. Oh. Yeah, I see that little foot go up. I see you. Hi. I'll get you your treat, but you know what? It's almost time for chop chop. Yeah. Put that little footy down. You wait a minute, okay? What you doing? What you doing? You itchy. Are you itchy? Can you say love you? Love you? Love you. Love you. Chicken. Love you. Chicken. Love you. I'm getting something out of your mouth, and it's not a what, but it's a start. Love you. You're being a little chatty today, huh? Love you. Yeah. Love you. Love you. Not just one word, too. Love you. You. Love you. Okay. Oops, got too close there, chicken. Love you. Love you. We'll get it. Let's go to keep working on it. Can you say chop chop? Chop chop? All right. Bye.